Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of Bossman's Game Phase RECONKiT Combat Pistol. I know in part 1 there's a little more talk, but I kind of got to tell you the story to fill you in on, you know it says Game Phase, it's actually a Crossman gun. So yeah. So here's the holster. Nice Velcro over here. And nice double stitched for the belt, and it can fit a pretty good fit size belt, which I'm actually surprised because there's a lot of holsters out there that, yeah, they're not that great. So we do have our information and warranty cards in here and stuff. It's kind of a hard shell. It's not hard like, a hard plastic shell or like a Kydet's holster. So it's nothing as hard as, a waterproof type of, Kydet's holster. But it is kind of hard, like here. Like, you hear that? It's hard. It's not, like, I don't know, like my old camera case here. It's not, soft like this where you could bend it and really smush it up and stuff. It does have a little bit of heft to it. So it's just a Velcro closer. How does the gun go in? Just like this. Put it up and over. Close it. I will tell you this. There's really not enough Velcro for this gun when you pull it over and close it. And I got this thing like stuffed, jam-packed in here. And with all this Velcro, where they put the little Velcro strip down here and the Velcro strip up here, not that much Velcro. I mean, it's like barely hanging on there. And considering that you kind of have to put it on at an angle, if you wanted to lock it in there to secure it. Although I did notice this other thing. If you put it right there behind the little notch here for the beaver tail, and right there by the hammer, just slide it in between kind of like this little U shape. You can put it here, which kind of gives it a little bit more security. I know, and it's also a little bit quicker, and it'll still stay in there. I mean, really, it's gonna stay in there like this, but how does it fit in there? Fits in there great. I mean, you could just put it in there like that. And drawing it draws pretty fast, I would say. So the holsters, pros and cons on that holster. But what we came here to see is the gun. It's nice that it says Recon, so you know what kit it's from. And that they put the GF for game face right there. It says on both sides the game face, but Recon is only on one side. It does have a little orange barrel, so we know that it's an AiRSOFT BB gun, not a real life fire gun arm. This one's kind of modeled a little bit of the 1911. Not exactly sure what 1911 this one's kind of modeled after, because there's been so many on the market. There's been Colt 1911, Browning 1911, Springfield 1911. I mean, if you look 1911, there's a couple different manufacturers on the market, and now there's probably more. 1911s, they're a class of handgun. They've been around for a long time for these pistols, so yeah. But as we try to narrow down, oh, this one's modeled after the Colt, this one's modeled after the Browning, this one's modeled after the Springfield. Can't really say. But judging by the look, it's like dark earth. Sometimes it's tan, sometimes they call it dark earth kind of color. Almost reminds me a little bit of the Glots. I want to say probably like Glot 15, Glot 16, maybe a Glot 17 I'll go as far as saying. That's kind of just what this color reminds me of down here. Like around here where the hammer is and the trigger guard and stuff. So yeah, safety. Right now the springs can fire. Now it's in safe mode. Push this little button right here. Magazine comes out. Like that. Now this magazine, you have to manually feed it from the top. That means grab this little thing, pull it down, notch it in, which I do like that it has a little notch system, because there's some that you got hold it down. If you let go, there goes your BBs. So it is nice that you can pull it down and notch it in, but you gotta put one at a time in there. Magazine can stand by itself, which is a nice little feature, because I know there's other magazines that they just fly on over there. So this is going to be a pain in the field. Taking your BBs and go 1, 2, and then so on and so forth. We are going to fill this up to 15 rounds. It's just going to take a while because, yeah. Don't know why you don't have like a little door back there. Because I know I have like some other ones. You slide open the door, you put a whole handful in it, close it up, and you're good to go. And I just set the thing off. Loading them one at a time, I don't really like. I guess it's supposed to be a little more realistic, like if you had like actual ACP-45 or a 9mm, where you have to load them individually. But yeah, I just don't really care for guns like that. Unless they're really powerful and accurate, then I wouldn't mind waiting and loading them one at a time. Other than that, no. I would have to say this, when the little spring snaps, the BBs don't go flying out, so right now that's kind of a good feature on there, because, like I said, I have other ones that are just way too garbagey. So it is up there to the 15 rounds. What the inside looks like. The metal, I believe, is only on the inside of the barrel. It does have this nice little notch right there, so if you do wrap your hand around it like this to get a little more control, I don't know if you can see it that good on camera, but that's nice right there. Take the safety off. Actually, yeah, safety's off. You can feel the spring. It is a powerful spring. Like, I can't even get this thing to be caught. That's how powerful the spring is. Like, to cock it, I have to grab it like this, put the barrel pointing downward, grab it like this, hold it against my side, my abdomen, by my stomach, and then still hold this, but have this and push down this part. So I'm not pulling it back on the slide. I'm actually holding the slide in place. I'm taking like the grip of the gun and pushing that down. It is a bit of a pain. I don't know how many shots you could get off, because you can't really go pull it back, shoot, pull it back, shoot, because the spring is like, ugh, so tight. So time you go like. But yeah, let's hear how it sounds. Got a nice little click to it. Feels kind of powerful. Like when I felt that spring being released, you could feel there is some power behind it. So yeah, just wanted to show you. Aha, see? Crossman. Told you it was a Crossman. Even though it'd be saying game face. Silicone packages. Or little warranties and stuff. Manual, which, you know, come on, we already went over that stuff. Let's get a little sticky toward it. Lower gun. Now I'm going to do a magazine release test. When we release our magazine, the BBs still stay up in the magazine. I had some. I loaded it. As soon as I drop it, a couple of the BBs fell out and they're all over the place. So, actually now that the magazine's in, it's a little bit more easier to tilt to the side and do it. I guess maybe it was the first time because it was brand new out of the box that the spring wasn't bolted into. So, Maybe that was the problem. I don't know. So we're gonna fire the gun, going live. Firing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, pretty accurate. Aiming down sights. Let's see, right there in the face. Pretty close to where I wanted to aim in the face. As you see, the BB went right about there. I was aiming a little bit more towards the left eye, kind of close to the side of the bridge of the nose. Right there. But I have to say, the sights are very decent on this. Now we're going to put out to a test with a couple other guns here. So we have the Compact 45 here. I don't know how good you can see on camera, because it's a clear plastic gun, but it's the Compact 45. The same gun that we got with the Mossberg M590 shotgun. So yeah. And you see one just went out. This one, super duper weak. I mean, this is the one that I told you that you would have had a old, dirty, stinky, full holes gym shot that's going to be more effective than this gun. This Compact 45 is just pure garbage. Next up, hopefully you can see it on camera down there. It is a Crosman Stinger P9.